Okay, now let's try to get the city again. And as expected, there's not only a function text before, but text after, which works quite similar. One comment: text after and text before are not available in all versions of Excel. Okay, let's give it a try. So we have our text after function. We enter our text in here. We define our delimiter. And in here we say we look for instance number 2. The rest we can leave away. We take the default values. And again you see we have our Dortmund and the zip code. However, we have a leading empty space. We can delete it by expanding our delimiter to comma and white space. Yeah, and if you continue, you can see we have now found all cities. How can we do to find all the streets? We have just to combine these two things. Yeah, so we could first say equal to text after. We go for our text. We enter our delimiter, so comma plus our separator. We enter a second semicolon. Now we're looking for the first one. What we have in here is now street plus this city. So what we have to do is to build around this one another text, or text before. So in the result, in the intermediate result, we're again looking for the first comma. And say we would like to have what we have seen before. Okay, there seems to be an error, a mismatch. I've forgotten a semicolon, so now it should work. So now I do have streets, cities, and names separated.